Hi, my traveling itinerary Santa Marta. My name is Miss María Lorena Padrina Martín.
Santa Marta, capital of Department de Magdalena, Colombia, is destination the welcome attention and meets the open home. It is first advocated to let's with the green vegetation, mango seeds, yellow sound, the beaches, the white with the wire, Sierra Nevada, make excursion they are a must destination. It is a city that captivates. That's it for last 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1 in the morning, met a tour in the city. This is the Park Tayrona. There was a lot you live different experiences. From its beautiful beach, its beautiful ecosystem. They too take a silent tour you can inspire from a fantastic day on a tour of some of the beaches of Santa Marta in a spectacular cycle forms of the years 79. Day 3. After spending 2 days in the incredible beach of Santa Marta, at last stop will be to enjoy a 3 day different day. Going to the Costa Verde hot spring so you can say goodbye in the breath to wait and arrive at your destination with your engines charged. If you want to head to Santa Marta for your trip, you can use buses, airplanes, cars, and homes in the city, usually bicycles. While in Santa Marta, tourists can do activities such as boat trips, visit museums, historical centers, diving, swimming, going to disco, etc. 2 of them are hotels and apartments. In Santa Marta, you can eat 3 or bigger time yuca. Let's start with cheers or good meals. Egg arepa, traditional dish, coach rice, accompanied with fish and salad. Typical young candies, bread, ceviche with full crepes, as drink on the decks or style they have natural fruits, beer, cold water among oysters. In this excursion, we visit in the finest and unique city of Santa Marta, which is a perfect place where you can spend unique and blessed moments. El parkers will run trips diversions tours to the different tourist and historic sites of the city, including breakfast during to the 3 days of the study for a cost of 750,000 pesos colombianos per person with plans.
Thank you.